pinakabata hanggang sa pinakamatanda. Okay? Okay, mula sa pinakabata hanggang sa pinakamatanda. 3 points to win in this game. But before we start, I want you to think your group name. Any kind of group name po?
Timba.
Ano po?
Timba.
Timba. Ano po?
Timbangis. Timbangis.
Timbangis. Okay. Pagkatapos nyo po i-arrange yung team ninyo, don't forget to shout, Timba and Timbangis. Okay? Kailangan po sabay-sabay. Okay? Kailangan po sabay-sabay. Now, Timba and Timbangis, game na ba kayo?
Game na!
Okay, first up. Ronald McDonald says, arrange your team according to your waistline. Go!
Timba.
Timbangis waistline.
Mama!
Waistline.
23.
23. 20.
30.
30.
31.
Oh! Okay. Practice pa lang po yun. Practice pa lang. Okay, kailangan po sabay-sabay kayo mag-shout ng group name. Okay, ready? Ronald McDonald says, arrange your team according sa numbers ng first name ninyo. Go, numbers. Number 1, number. Okay, Timbangis. Alex, 4. Alvin, 5.
Wala na, tabi tayo.
Charlene, C-H-A-R-L-E-N-E, 8. Christina, 8.
Rod yata eh.
Okay, Joseph Christian, 8. Okay, next up.
Wala na buo eh.
Next up. Okay, next up po. Okay, next up. Ronald McDonald says, arrange your team according to your birth month.
Timba!
March. May.
Ay, bala!
July.
November.
November.
Wala!
Okay, wala na po. Wala na. Okay, next up. Ronald McDonald says, arrange your team according sa first letter ng surname ninyo. Go! Don't forget to shout your group name. Okay, surname. Antona, A. Herrera, A. L. O.